So I have a great method for you today, very easy to do. If you've ever heard about Twitch, well, if you have or you haven't, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you today how you can make a lot of money by using Twitch, and it's very easy to do, simple. You don't need to do anything complicated. This is a very easy shortcut that I'm going to show you today that can help you to make some money for yourself. It's very easy to do. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. Well, I would prefer you use a computer, but whatever you want to use, it's up to you. It's very easy to do. So what I want to show you today requires you to watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain everything to you. I just need to make sure that you don't skip any part of the video so that you don't make a mistake. I just want to make sure that you make as much money as possible. Now, just know that this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this. There are no registration fees or anything like that. And it's available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are coming from. If you're in Africa, Australia, South America, or America, Europe, Asia, wherever you are from, you can actually get access to this opportunity. So just watch this video. Before I show you everything, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that button, subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. That red button, please just click it and turn on all notification bells so that anytime I have a new video for you, you can easily be able to watch my videos. So what you want to do is you want to go onto Twitch. It's twitch.tv. So when you type in twitch.tv, you're going to get onto Twitch. So when you're on Twitch, you're going to see so many videos. It's basically a platform where people stream gaming videos. It's all about gaming, different kind of games, new games, Minecraft, Among Us, Fortnite, Fall Guys, Valorant. So there's so many games and people are just gaming and streaming their games. What you want to do, you want to click onto Fortnite. Fortnite is a very big game. Click onto Fortnite. So when you click onto Fortnite, it's going to give you a list of channels of people that actually stream about Fortnite. So you're going to see different kinds of channels. So now let's take, for example, let's take one of the channels. So when you click on one of the channels, you're going to get over here and you can see that he's busy. This guy is busy showing that he's playing this game. So what you want to do when you click over here to share, you can actually share and copy the URL. So when you click on copy the URL, you want to go onto a different website, and I'm going to show you the website right now. It's called oke.io. oke.io. So it's basically a URL shortener. So what exactly it's going to do is that the URL you just copied over here from this guy, you want to go back onto oke.io and you want to paste it over here. So when you paste it and you do this, OK is going to actually give you a shortcut. It's a shortened URL. It's the same link. It will take you to the same video, but it's just shorter. So how do you actually make money from this? Let me explain to you. As you see over here, how much do I earn? How can you start making money with OK? It's just 3 steps. Create an account, create a link, and post it. For every visit you earn money. It's just that easy. So people actually make money for actually just clicking on your link that you actually generate with OK. So as you can see over here, so many users have already used OK, and it's in connection with PayPal. You can get your money with PayPal, Payza, Skrill, Web Money, Bitcoin, bank transfer. It depends on you. And the payout rates. Let me show you the payout rates over here so you know approximately what exactly you're going to be getting. So if somebody in Australia clicks on your link, you're going to get $5. If someone in the US clicks on it, you'll get $4. Someone in the UK, you get $4. So basically you can go through the list of, the countries, and you can see Spain, you'll get $2, Norway, you'll get $3, Germany, you'll get $4. So it's basically depending on the country at which the person is coming from. When they click on your link, you're going to get different amounts, as you can see over here. So what you want to do, once you have your link here, you want to copy that. Then you want to create a Word document, and for example, you're going to describe Fortnite, give a description. Fortnite is a survival game where 100 players fight against each other in player versus player combat to be the last one standing. It is a fast-paced, action-packed game, not unlike the Hunger Games, where strategic thinking is a must in order to survive. Then you want to say something like, check out these 3 awesome Fortnite videos. So on video 1, you want to paste that link over here. So here we have the first link. So what you want to do again is you want to go back onto Twitch, and you want to go maybe onto a second one to find a different video. So when you get a different video, this video over here is from this guy, you want to go back again here, then you want to share, then you want to copy this link over here, then you want to go back onto OK.io, then you want to get over here and you want to paste it. Let's make sure I actually copied that link, copy to clipboard. Okay, so then we get back over here, let me paste that. Okay, so I've pasted it. So I want it to be shortened. Okay, as we can see, we've shortened it. So since it's a different video, you want to go back onto your Word document and you want to paste it. So this is video 1, video 2, then you want to do maybe a third one. You can do more, but 3 is usually good. So you want to find another video, anyone you like, maybe this one or that one, depending on what you find attractive. So we've got this one I found from this guy. So I want to come over here and I want to copy. Then I want to go back over here, and then I want to paste. Then I want to shorten it, and there it's shortened it for me. So as you can see, this is video 3. So once you have this document, I'm going to show you where you can actually share this and people can actually click on your link, and when they do, you're going to get money. So you're going to go onto a forum called forums.pcgamer.com. So it's forums.pcgamer.com. PC Gamer is very big platform where people just talk about gaming, and it's just a gaming community. So you want to come over here. As you can see, general gaming, shooters. Maybe you want to go onto shooters. For example, you want to click on shooters. You can go onto general gaming, and then here we are on shooters. So you want to join any of these, and you just want to actually paste your document. You actually want to paste all of this information onto the forum, and people will just actually have a read, and they're going to see, okay, what they're going to see is that, hey, Fortnite is a survival game where 100 players fight against each other in player versus player, blah blah blah, and check out these 3 awesome Fortnite videos. So they're just going to think that, oh, it's just Fortnite videos, and they're going to click on the link. Now when they actually click on your link, depending on where they are coming from, as I said before, you're going to get different amounts. So if somebody in that forum is actually from Australia, you're going to get $5. If they're from the US, you're going to get $4. If you're from Denmark, $4. Germany, $4. Canada, 3.5. So as you can see, it's as simple as that. And once you do this, you can generate a lot of money, because so many people are just going to be clicking on it because they're very interested in Fortnite. I mean, Fortnite is a big platform. You can even do this for different games like Call of Duty, depending on whatever you like. So this is what I wanted to show you today. It's absolutely easy to do. You just want to go onto twitch.tv, find different kinds of videos that people can watch. Very cool. Then you want to go onto OK.io, then you want to shorten it, get the link, put it in a nice format so that people can have a quick browse and quick read, and they know where to find the videos. Maybe you can put 2 videos or 3 or 4 videos so that there are different links, and every time people click on your link, you get money. And let me tell you, PC Gamer is a very big platform, so you're gonna get a lot of people who will be interested to click on that, and you can make money for yourself. So it's as easy as that. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just comment your questions down below in the comment section. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button. It's absolutely free. Turn on all post notifications so that you don't miss any video. Next time I post my videos, you can easily watch my videos. Thank you so much for the support, and cheers.